Yeah. With paprika powder. Spicy food, that's why at first I thought it's maybe too hot for me, but it's
not hot, but spicy. The paprika also strong. Paprika is good.
oh. Okay, let's go. Oh. Yes, I like. When I was middle high school and high school, I always used the bicycle, to go to the school. Maybe per 20 minutes by bike. Yes. This is a school. Yeah, I remember. Oh. ここが学校で、ここが幼稚園。It's a kindergarten, right? Oh. Maybe it's better to go here. 今日のお昼ご飯はハンガリアンブラッシュです。bean brush.
Some people, my father was using some brush.
Kiss. 準備ができてないそうですので、スーパーで買ったやつを飲んでみます。I really like it.
Water because とお芋を練ったジャムを生地で包んで、一番外側はパン粉、日本よりはもっと細かくて柔らかいパン粉なんですけれども、これに粉砂糖をかけていただきます。すごく美味しかったです、これも。 And you have to drink it if you can, just
one time.
If you can, then just.
It's very high alcohol, right?
Yes.
すごいアルコールが強いパリンカっていうハンガリーのアルコールです。一気に飲むのがいいそうです。Oh, it's strong!
I said it.
It's very strong. Ah!
Do you need water?
Yes, please.
It was yours?
It's not.
And this is yours.
Yes, it's mine. If I can see this one with beside this palinka, it will see as a water and drink and more.
But you can drink from that a lot of little
yes.
portion. I can't imagine how people can drink more as one from this because it's so strong.
Yes, it's very strong. すごかった。